Hello everyone, I'm back again with another SF9 unboxing video. Sorry, I keep shifting it this way because my camera's, the part that you see it from is like on this side of the camera. So I'm trying to like focus, like put it in the center of where I am, but then it's not centered in the video. Anyways, nobody cares about that problem.
Okay, so this one also got while I was in Korea. I was there for the whole month of May, which was also while they, let me start it. I was there for the whole month of May, which was also when they were promoting, for this album actually. They had just started promoting for, what's the Korean name? Oh, it doesn't say out here. For Easy Love. I think it's Shipta? I don't remember, I'm gonna sound really stupid. But they were promoting for Shipta, and then after that they started, like after I left, they started doing stuff with Washout. So, yeah. Like I said in my first SF9 unboxing video, I ran into one by accident at one of the stations in Yangon. It was extra if anyone cares. But while I was there, it was for one of my friend's birthdays. We were supposed to go out for supper with some of her other friends she met in Korea. And we went out and then we looked to our right and we saw just promotions for it. So one of the friends we were with, my friend's boyfriend, had asked the staff members what was going on. So and it ended up being that they were having a fan meeting at 5 p.m. So though me and my friend couldn't get into the actual fan meeting, we oh, there's a spider. That's scary. Anyways, even though we couldn't get into the fan meeting, we did go and we did stand there and watch for a bit. And my friend didn't know SF9 at all. Like she never heard of them or anything. But since I was such a big fan, she was like, okay, we can go for a little bit before we have to meet up for the supper. So that's what we did. And we just so happened to be standing on the side that Youngbin was closest to, so that made me really happy. It went Youngbin, Hyung, Taeyang, and then Jaeyoon, or maybe it was Jaeyoon and Taeyang. Oh, I don't know what's going on. I don't own a dog, that's my neighbors. Anyways, they were sitting in that order, and my friend ended up waving at Jaeyoon while he was looking in our direction, and he waved back and smiled. And she fell in love with him. Like, she refers to Jaeyoon as her husband now, so yeah. Anyways, I also got to see, I got into, what was it? Music Bank. I applied to go watch it, and I ended up getting in. My friend was in, but I gotta go. And SF9 ended up being there, so I got to see Easy Love live, and it was so good, guys.
If you get the chance to go see SF9 live, do it. They're so talented. Oh, anyways, let's go. Alright, so this is a clear cover. You can probably see. Pretty cool. It's got like member names and then on the back track list, birthdays, whatnot. Interesting stuff. Put this back in center. Oh my god, OCD. Right. Let us begin. Oh, I already have fingerprints on it. Oh no. Okay, so album itself, the CD, it's pretty cool looking. I really like reflective things. I like shiny things, so I get really— whoa! Bad positioning. Anyways, yeah. Let's begin. Oh, what is on? How do I do this? Okay. Ooh. Interesting. Oh, I don't understand why. Oh, yeah. So handsome. So handsome. Oh my god. Let me come a little closer so I can look at this better. Okay. Oh, Jaeyoon with red hair. Like, when I saw him, his hair was red. It was so nice. Oh. I don't like this outfit on him, but at the FNC building, actually, this is put up on the wall. It's pretty cool. Just going there and seeing the building, it was nice. I don't want to talk too much about unrelated things, like it's related but not really related. But like, I had a lot of fun in Korea and I did so many things that I feel like, oh, this reminds me of this, I should have shared. And then I do, and y'all don't care. But it's okay. If anyone wants to know about stuff I did in Korea, just let me know and I'll be like, okay, video time, this is what I did, and this is where I went, and blah blah blah, and oh my god, he's so handsome. Look at him. Bless your soul. Thank you for being alive. Bless his parents. Oh my gosh, I love Jaeyoon. It's not my bias, but I love Jaeyoon. Let's see. Oh yeah, Shipta. Did you see my head? I'm so sorry. Shipta. Shipta. I don't know. I'm just gonna give up because I'm not very good at Korean, so I'm gonna butcher everything. Oh, that is a nice photo. Nice towel. Next, don't. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. I got Jaeyoon. Just a second, let me hold my place. Jaeyoon. Oh, I'm so happy. I love Jaeyoon. Oh. 여러분, SF9 Jaeyoon, Jaeyoon이 예요. And I can't read the rest. Oh, I like how with his signature, let me see if I can focus a little better. It has the treble clef. It's cute. It's cute. I approve Jaeyoon. So, I kind of wish I got Youngbin, but then I like Jaeyoon, so I'm happy. I'll put him right here. You can stay there. Right, let's continue. Whew. Oh yeah, I forgot that we got the postcard thing with this one too. I got Insong. Oh, English speaking friend. Oh, that is such a good photo. Oh my god, that's part of the photo. Calm down. Oh, it's such a nice photo. Wow. Wow, my heart hurts. Wow. Okay, let me refocus this. Here's on a picture of them. I'm surprised I didn't get Dawon actually, because for my first two SF9 albums I got Dawon, and I was like, oh no, the Curse of Dawon. Like, I love this kid, but I like variety as well. But I guess not. I guess I'm not. I mean, I wouldn't hate getting him, but ooh, that's a good photo of Taeyang. Ooh! Oh, my cute son. Oh, he's so cute. He likes to pretend he's an adult. And then lyrics for Lady or Y. Credits, Baking Sensation, and the back. Oh, no. Okay, close part. Okay. Look now. No. How do I? Okay. Why are you doing this? Well, it's because I bent the. No. I like it to seem like the thing wasn't opened at all, and I bent it too much. Like, who did I bend it at? Oh, it's because I was propping it up with this. Okay. That's awkward. Oops. Alright. Well. Oh, fingerprints. Okay, let's cover that up. No more fingerprints. See? Beautiful. No more. Anyways, that's it for this video. I talked way too much at the beginning, so it's really long, and I'm so sorry. But yeah, if you liked it, comment, or no, if you liked it rather, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, please give me suggestions on how I can improve. And if there's any other albums that you guys want me to look into, comment, let me know, and I might possibly look into them. It just depends on if they're a group I really like or not. So yeah, we'll see. And anyways, yeah, thank you! Oops.